Hello everyone, it's Nutan Deep and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in front of you and trying to put my thoughts to you. The thing is that there are many people they claim that we are going to teach you English language and you are going to learn this English language in just 30 days. Just 30 days you are going to grab a very good fluency. So beforehand that I would like to say, see, it start from the beginning, from the scratch. Basically, you have to try to set a goal for the command, to grab the command, not for the fluency. Okay, so the first thing is that always think that I have to get the command, I have to grab the command. Okay, and once you have the command, then you can think of the fluency. Okay, so initially you don't have to jump into that thought that okay, I have to just get the fluency, grab the fluency. Okay, it's all about getting the command, holding the command. Okay, and the way you speak, that really matters, the way you convey your thoughts, that really matters. Okay, so the thing is that the knowledge, basically the, let's say, the grammar knowledge and the vocabulary knowledge you have, basic grammar knowledge, it's sufficient, it's okay. So what you have to do next, you have to think of, try to speak something, try to speak. See, the thing is, from the nascent stage, from the scratch, basically you have to try to speak one single short sentence. Okay, try to do it in a small subtle way. Okay, and how would you do that? Without thinking a second thought, you have to try to speak in English. Let's say whatever you do on every single day, the daily routine. Okay, it comes from daily routine, so you have to try to speak your daily routine. And if you are not being able to speak about your daily routine, then try to form simple short sentences. Let's say, get up, come here, go there, sit down, need to go, I don't know, I know, like with this. Okay, shut up, keep your mouth shut, don't talk to me, like with this. Okay, and when you think that okay, I can form the sentences, then try to speak about your daily routines, which is in present tense, because it's quite easy to form sentences when it comes to make sentences in present tense, because it is the initial grammar rule pattern. Okay, so we all know tenses, so why don't we start it from present indefinite tense, and we can also include present continuous tense here. Okay, but the thing is, we have to start from the beginning stage. Okay, so start talking about your daily routine, like whatever you do. Let's say I'm talking about myself. I wake up early in the morning, around 6 a.m., and then I go to the bathroom, then I brush my teeth, then I take a shower. After that, I take a glass of warm water, then I make breakfast for my family, and after that I also take my breakfast and I go to the office. Okay, this is it. So I have taken one simple short example. Okay, so you can add a lot of things here. Let's say I didn't include there about the things which I do on every single day. I do the worshipping, I do the puja. Okay, so the thing is, you have to basically try to make yourself to speak in English, meaning you have to speak, you have to open your mouth, okay, to speak in English, because opening your mouth is a kind of form to speak in English. All right, so this kind of idea you can apply, you can follow. Okay, and this will definitely going to help you a lot. And yes, again I would like to say one thing which I have said many times. The thing is that it's very okay, it's very normal when you make mistakes. Nobody is perfect. So I have said this line, and I think in my many videos, that nobody is perfect, and we all know. It's a kind of universal truth. We all know, okay? And every person makes mistakes. So when you make mistakes, Don't try to make it big. Okay, don't try to think yourself that you are underconfident, you are a small fry, you are insignificant. No, you are not. Each and every person make mistake. The thing is that what you have to do, never ever try to interpret that I have made this mistake while talking. I made this mistake while talking. I got slipped of tongue. Like with this, you don't have to explain this. You don't have to say this line to anyone else's. Okay, you made a mistake, it's okay, it's fine. But the thing is that when you are talking with somebody, and let's say hypothetically I'm saying you made a mistake, okay, and you are trying to making it big, so huge, and then what do you do? You do the other thing, which is you say this to the other person you're talking with. You say that I made a mistake while talking with you and I got slipped of tongue. See, when you say these kind of things that I made a mistake, I got slipped of tongue many times and all, this means you are trying to put yourself down to other person, and maybe the other person didn't notice that, didn't observe that, but you are the person, you are trying to showcase that okay, I made a mistake, and yeah, I'm a small fry, I'm insignificant, like with this. So saying this, you are trying to portray yourself that you are insignificant, and that moment you're trying to reinforce your mistake. Okay, so you don't have to do this. Okay, you made a mistake, it's completely okay, it's fine, it's really normal. Okay, the thing is just keep going on, nobody is going to observe that. Okay, and when you always trying to point out that okay, I made a mistake, I made this mistake, that mistake, so this means other person is not taking you seriously. Okay, so the thing is that whatever you are doing, trying to do your speaking practicing, trying to like do like reading and listening things, you are doing very nice thing, great you're doing. Okay, the thing is that you don't have to always try to put yourself down saying this, I made this mistake, that mistake, and start with saying things in present tense, and you can choose this idea that try to talk about your daily routine. This will help you a lot. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much.